Are you looking for a way to enhance your white rice just with a simple, healthy recipe and easy quick fix? Well, if that's the case, this recipe is yours. So today I'm presenting my easy quick fix and tasty and fluffy rice with green peas and cumin seeds. If you want to know how I made this rice, keep watching. Well, I'm going to use this basmati rice. I've measured this cup 1.5, and this is the same cup I'm going to use to measure the water with. And I'm going to use some cumin seeds and some salt to season it. I'll start by washing my rice. I'll fill the bowl with the water and clean it until the water runs clear. The first water always is cloudy. You need to discard that and add another clean water until you see your rice is clean and the water is clear. Don't skip this stage. It's very important. It contributes to the fluffiness of rice. Discard the water and let your rice rest there as you eat your oil in a pot. Adding vegetable oil. Just add enough oil, like a quarter cup. Once my oil is heat, I'm going to throw in my cumin seeds and toast it a little bit, like 1 minute until it's fragrant. Don't let it burn. Add in your washed rice. Guys, thanks for stopping by and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another amazing simple recipe. Feel welcome. Season it with some salt and toast it on a medium heat until all the water in the rice dried out. Toasting the rice helps the rice to cook nicely and fluffy and also helps the rice to mix well with the cumin flavors and it will give a good taste. Once done, you'll go in with your water with the same measurement we used in measuring the rice. So I'm going to use 2.5 cups. The rice was 1.5 cup, and at this point my flame will be on high flame and I will leave my rice to boil on uncovered pot. Don't cover the pot. Until the water reduces to the rice level is when we will cover the pot. Guys, if you're coming across my video for the first time, feel welcome. And if you find this kind of content useful, consider subscribing and hit that like button. Watch the video up to the end. Hit the notification bell so that if I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Once the water has dropped to the rice level, reduce your heat. Turn the stove to the lowest and cover the pot. Let it simmer on a very low heat. The rice is ready. I'm going to add in my frozen peas. I'd blanch this peas before. If you have a fresh one, ensure you blanch them first. So I'm just going to add my green peas and fold them carefully. And let the peas and rice combine well. Don't break the rice. It has cooked nicely. At this point, remember we still have our stove on a very low flame. So I'm going to cover it for about 5 minutes. And voila, our rice is well done. And the aroma of cumin here, I tell you. This rice is best served with any stew of your choice or even curries or even pan fried. And so now we have here a very healthy carbohydrate mixed with peas. It was nice having you around, and if you like, you can try this simple recipe. As you can see, I've demonstrated it's something very easy. It doesn't even take much time. Grab this recipe and make this rice. Forget about white plain rice for some time and enjoy with your family. I enjoyed mine with pan-fried pork and glazed. Look at it. It even looks appealing. And I hope to see you in my next. Bye bye.